Ascites disease, which is also called filling of water in the stomach. Use of garlic is beneficial in this disease. It is beneficial to take garlic juice mixed with half a spoon of garlic in half a glass of water. You will see a difference if you keep taking it for a few days. Boil about 30 grams of decigram in 300 milliliters of water, till the water reduces to half of its quantity. After this boiled water cools down, filter it and drink it. Continue this experiment for 25 days. Make 30 to 40 milliliters of bitter gourd juice and add it to half a glass of water and drink it 3 times a day. This helps well in preventing ascites. The amount of drinking water of an ascites patient should be reduced. It is appropriate for the body to replenish fluids through milk. But remember, excess fluid will increase swelling of the legs. In the treatment of ascites, radish leaf juice is considered very effective. You can drink 100 milliliters radish juice 3 times a day. Using fenugreek seeds is beneficial in this disease. Soak 20 grams of seeds in water overnight. Filter this water and drink it in the morning. Use more onion in your food. This will remove the liquid accumulated in the stomach through urine and provide relief. Ascites patients should eat watermelon daily. This helps in maintaining proper fluid balance in the body. Buttermilk and carrot juice are also beneficial. These provide strength and prevent the fluid level in ascites from increasing. Gram soup, old rice, camel milk, salad, garlic and asafoetida should be included in your diet. These help in curing ascites and also reduce flatulence. These are some home remedies by which you can get relief from ascites.